Michael Jordan, the legendary basketballer, had the longest hang time in the air. That's why he was called Air Jordan. Cristiano Ronaldo is the Michael Jordan of football. With more than 100 goals through header in club and international football, Ronaldo defies gravity. In this episode of Base Sports Week, we are going to explore the exercises that helps.
आजकल टीम बना रहे हो? 25 रुपए की टीम बनाई, 3 घंटे वेट किया और 28 रुपए जीते। मिल गई तसल्ली। हाउसर पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हराओ और जीतो ट्रिपल कैश। Visit Hauser.com. Download the Hauser app now.
A footballer to take a giant leap like Cristiano Ronaldo. Kazi, coming to the exercise, any footballer, be it a defender or a striker, if they want to improve their jump, the jump is called plyometrics in fitness. So it needs a lot of strength for the thigh, the quadricep, this is the hamstring and the glutes. So these are the exercises. This is got a hurdle and the hurdle is about 1.5 feet in height. Now, this is for the youngsters. As you grow, you can increase the height. You can see the system to increase the height. So the first exercise is lateral move and then jump over. Can you show it, mate? You see, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Again this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Keep going, mate. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. So lateral jump. 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So Kazi, you see, these are quick transfer of weight from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you go from side to side, this strengthens the muscles of there and there. And then the lateral jump, the entire part comes into play. Coming to number game. So, this is 1, 2, you do 10 jumps. 10 jumps equal to 1 set. Then you rest for about 1 to 2 minutes and you do 4 sets of this.
Can we do it with the ball as well?
Yes, mate. The same jump with the ball. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump over. Give the ball. Good job. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump over. Give the ball. Beautiful. Keep going, mate. That's too good. Yes. Now, Kazi, you see your weight. I mean, the body weight should be on the ball of the feet. Ball of the feet is right here. Yeah. Now, when you jump over, your takeoff is from here. But when you land, you should be landing here on the heel. And from there the weight comes here. Suppose you are jumping from there, if your head comes there, that means you are off balance. So this is called center of gravity. So you jump and land so that the head is right on top. Okay, this is no good. The head falls over. So that's the technique. Keep your head right on top of your knee. Okay, so that's basically the technique.
We have all seen Cristiano Ronaldo. So
Right.
can you show us any leg strengthening exercise like a match situation?
Kazi, you're perfect. Why only Ronaldo? We have seen Harry Kane of England, fantastic header, Lewandowski. So a lot of the stars. So as you said, I'm going to show you one exactly football specific match situation plyometrics. Kazi, I show you the setup. You can see there are 2 hurdles and the space is about this. These are the 6 inches hurdles, right? And you have got the switch ball. You're the defender. I am Cristiano Ronaldo. So stand there, mate, with the ball. Now my thing starts. This is 1, 2, and you block it. Good job. So 1, 2. That's good. So 1, 2.
But sir, where's the ball?
Yes, Kazi always wants a ball because he wants to see me not scoring like Messi, but like Ronaldo. So the drill remains same, but I've added the ball. So 1, 2, and you see.
What about the reps and technique?
Kazi, it will be 10 repetitions, mean 10 jumps, and after that you rest for a minute and you do 4 to 5 sets of this. And about the technique, it is more or less same as before. So your takeoff is from the toe, ball of the feet, and you land obviously and go from heel to toe. That's the essence. If you train the way I showed, then you can put the ball at the back of the net like a Ronaldo, Messi, or for that matter, the god of football, Diego Maradona. More such absolutely riveting stuff is coming up. So keep following Base Sports Fit.